No, they don't work anymore.
Kia ora whānau. What we've done so far is we've dug the hole. We've set the base of the fire up with kindling, and then we've got some hardwood logs there that we've put across the hole, and then we've basically loaded up with firewood and put the stones, and we've actually put a couple of irons in as well to help with the process. And now it's just a matter of heating it up, so it'll burn till about, we lit just after 11 o'clock, so it's going to burn right through till 1:30, and we'll dig as much ash out as we can get, and then the next step is basically we will lay watercress on the top of the stones. The meat will get put on top of the watercress, and then the kona that are holding the vegetables and stuff, that'll go on top of that, and then we've got whāreki mats to go over the top, and then we'll be putting 3 or 4 wet sacks over the top and covering with dirt, and that's pretty much the process we're going through at the moment. And we'll cook for 3 hours, and everything will come out primo as it always does with my hāngī bros here. You know, we've got Ngāi Tahu Māmoe, Waitaha Hawio, Arafuai. Our whakapapa is all based around kai. So the more gatherings we have like this, the more we can pass on that tikanga and koa about our kai to our young ones. And yes, it's about whānau getting together and interacting, but it's also, you know, we have to find many ways how we pass on our knowledge and our tikanga and koas of our things. And having a umu or hāngī, the modern word hāngī, is one way of doing it. And it's about whānau being together.